Welcome back. Today on Dialed In DIY, I've got a fun little simple solution for you. Tired of your stuff getting damaged by sharp teeth when all you really want is to get a good grip? Well, I've got a great way to prevent your stuff from getting chewed up just by trying to get a job done. I've actually gotten pretty fed up, especially recently, when all I've been trying to do is get a wrench to get a grip on either some kind of a pipe or a fixture and loosen it up. Unfortunately, I end up damaging, scratching, or just kind of messing up the finish of a lot of stuff. And there's really an easy way, involving pretty much just free stuff, to take care of it. The first couple of options I have for this simple solution is simply to get some scrap pieces of leather and some neodymium magnets. These are really strong magnets, and in a little bit, I'll explain where I've been getting these for free. Looks a little messy at first, but I do go a little heavy with the hot glue, and then when I fold this over, I squeeze it to make sure that there is hot glue on all contact points around the magnet to make sure that the magnet doesn't slide out one of the sides once I'm done. Figure just wiping off the extra glue, being careful not to get my fingers burned, is all I need to do to make sure this thing holds really well for a long time. Now, the awesome part about actually using this is it's really easy, and I love the fact that the magnets hold it in place, and I can open and close the pliers, move it up and down and around on whatever fixture I need to loosen up, and I can just keep twisting, tightening, releasing, twisting, tightening, releasing, and I'm not messing up my fixtures anymore. So, I did mention that I get my neodymium magnets for free, and I'm not really getting them for free as much as I'm salvaging them because they are in a lot of different everyday items. I did a video in the past where I showed how to get neodymium magnets from a lot of different things, in fact, more than 20 sources, and most of the projects that I do in videos that involve neodymium magnets, I got from salvaging them. So, keep your eyes open and collect and reuse. So yeah, this kind of a monkey wrench is definitely a good test for something like this because we use them on a lot of different kinds of fixtures, and as you can see here, I'm holding a heavy shower head securely with a monkey wrench, and I didn't scratch any of the satin nickel finish on the fixture itself. I was really pleased at how well this worked. Alright, so needle nose pliers presents a different challenge, and one of those is just getting the material to stay in place even if you're using magnets. So I'm going to try a couple of different things here, including using a piece of denim that I actually kept from an old pair of jeans from a previous project where I made smash bags. So I won't be using magnets on this. Instead, all I'm doing is putting some glue down an extra wide strip of this denim material so that I can make a pocket for one side of the needle nose pliers to stick into. Once you've made sure that first pocket fits, flip it around and make it a pocket on the other side as well, so we can use it just like we did the leather piece. But instead of the magnets, all you have to do is fold it in half and stick each part of the needle nose pliers or vice grips directly into the pocket that you made and use it just the same way you did the leather piece. Okay, so maybe you want to give this a shot, but you don't have the magnets. Well, I've got a way to do that too. In fact, that's how I used to do it before I tried the magnets. All you need to do is get a long strip of whatever the material is that you want to use to protect the pipe or other device, wrap it around a few times, then put your pliers on there. While I do find that it works really well for preventing the scratches, it is a little bit more cumbersome, not quite as easy and convenient as using the magnet or pocket type, especially if you're working at odd angles or on some narrower connections on your fixtures or other devices. So, when all is said and done, this is a cost-effective and easy way to protect your stuff from the damage of sharp teeth. To have these convenient for use, I've just wrapped them all together and I throw them in with my wrenches in the toolbox. They're there when I need them, and they're always ready to keep my stuff free from tooth damage. Hey, thank you for taking the time to stop by Dialed In DIY today to watch my video about adding soft jaws to your tools to prevent damage from teeth. Since you stuck with me through the end on this, I'd love it if you'd hit that thumbs up and let me know you enjoyed it, and subscribe while you're here, and make sure to go ahead and ring that bell so that you can get notifications for future videos. Please make sure to come back in the future because there will be plenty more Dialed In DIY to come.